Okay, now you share your screen. Sorry.
What's up?
Now share your screen. Now you share your screen so that I can. You can share your screen.
Okay, sharing.
Okay. So and you can send the pattern part, right? So that I can. Okay. This is your trap, right? This is your trap area at this area. Okay. Now you are actually selling again. You are if you are taking the position here first, second position you are adding the adding position because this area if you see the buyer is holding again, but there is no volume after that. The
Yeah.
buyer is trying to go up, right?
Mhm.
If you see
Mhm.
without the volume, you will be panic because oh my god, and this
Mhm.
area how why the buyer is reacting so much harder, right? So much strength,
Okay,
right? But
okay,
if
okay.
you but if you see the volume in this area,
Mhm.
there is no volume. And
Yeah,
when this those two green candle came, there's so much less volume,
yeah, yeah.
right?
Right,
And
right.
when this green candle came at this area, the is high volume is there, right? And
Yeah.
there is also candle volume is very strong, and also the volume came very strong, right? So
Mhm.
those are matching
Yeah.
volume with the price action candlestick, but they are actually happening at the context area, right? Visualization
Yeah.
area.
Okay, okay.
And after that, see the how the price came very fast,
Mhm.
right? And
Yeah.
if you know that area particularly, okay, your SL, you here, suppose you are getting the 10 or 12 pips, something like that. Okay. So, uh, how much pips you're getting?
Six, six, six
How much pips
pips.
you're getting?
6 pips. Enter here means
No, no. Yeah, this is not this is measurement tool there.
from where, sir?
Measurement tool in the left hand side, you can just measure the pips
Oh, from where to where, sir?
from this area to this area. Next alignment,
Oh,
10 pips,
10.
right?
Yeah, 10 pips.
So if you are getting 10 pips, if you know this strong hardcore setups, right? So this is the A class setups or whatever your setups, right?
Yeah.
Then you put it there 1 lot something or 0.1 lot, whatever you shoot, right? Because you have the ability to lose the if this trade doesn't work for you, then you lose only $30 something like that or $40 something. But you are getting 1 is to how much? 6, right?
Yeah,
6
yeah.
to ratio.
Okay, okay.
So if there is a 1 is to 6 to ratio, then if your risk is $40 in this trade, you are getting to $40 in reward.
Mm. Okay, okay. But you say the stop loss you put where, sir? Here, above here.
Recent high, yes.
Okay, okay, okay.
The recent high, yes.
Okay.
Right. So, just,
But here
you have to,
it's one thing I don't one thing when the price wait,
okay,
you
okay. Just
basically
hold on.
no, can remove the drawing, no problem.
Okay, okay.
See, you said enter around here, right?
Yes.
Okay, when price is coming like this, right? How we will know whether this first is going to stop and go higher or not, right?
Because,
You,
because, because you know the story behind, right? And the story is a trap area. You flow with that bigger time frame, 15 minutes already. It is completed their story,
okay,
right? Completed their they meet the criteria on higher time frame, right? You know
okay,
everything all that.
okay.
You know all the top down analysis. Then you are coming into lower time, right? Then why you are coming to lower time frame? Because you know the higher time frame also ready, right?
Mhm,
It's
mhm.
completely ready. Then you are just triggering your gun. So then you are
Okay,
finding the location, the precise location where I would enter and
okay,
how and with the how much stop loss, right?
okay, 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 okay.
So this is actually secondary part. This is the entry part, right? This is the
Yeah.
entry part, secondary. And first part, You have to understand the whole analysis, whole reading story. That is the
Yeah,
most important thing.
correct.
After that, this is a secondary chem, and after that, there will be trade management. The
Mhm,
third is the trade management, second is entry, first analysis.
mhm.
Right. So trade entry, it means your entry is triggered here, right? In this area.
Yeah,
Right. So this is your second entry or adder positions pyramiding. Right.
yeah,
This is your trade
okay.
management. How you trade, how will you your manage your trade? That
Mhm.
is the three, right? How you will, your SL will be, at the TSL, a trailing SL will be there, right? How you reduce your SLs. That's all comes into play, right?
Okay.
Now you
Understand.
go for 15 time frame. Sorry. You just, shift your chart on the left hand side. Yes, you slowly, or just go on the go left. Bus. Okay. Hold. Now you see, now you see, this is your in the bigger context, right? In the bigger context, there is a much more range, right? Okay, here. Okay. I think in between time, whatever I see the chart, whatever I see the
Yeah.
chart, just
Okay.
don't shift your chart, right? Don't shift
Okay.
whatever the you are seeing the candlestick, right? So on that state area,
Okay.
you try to analyze how the price is, behaving like that, right?
Okay.
If you don't understand, if you don't understand it, then you shift your higher time frame, one time frame up, what actually happening. But
Okay.
always, whatever the chart you are opening, the
Mhm,
trading time frame, always
mhm.
on that time frame, solve the chart problem, solve the chart. If you
Okay.
solve the chart, then you should shift to one time frame. First, you have to understand where you are, where the chart is,
Mhm.
where is the chart, where the chart location or state is there.
Okay. So in this case, let's say we entered here already, so there was a breach here, and then there's a breach here.
Yes,
So this is the last guy who started.
yes,
So price tried to come up and fail, but and then went back down again.
yes.
So I just maintained like
But
this story like
yes,
this. Okay,
yes.
okay.
Now you see
Until it's
the
violated.
yes, explain.
No, like I follow like this. Let's say suddenly here the buyers come strong and break the guy who started go up. Okay,
Hmm.
not like that, not like that. What I'm trying to say is okay. Now the sellers are intact, right, sir? And then here there's another breach. This the guy who started. So as long as now the story is going on the sell side, I don't have to switch to the higher time frame. Is that what you're trying to
Now
say?
first, I'm trying to say no. Now this is your 1 hour, whatever the time comes out, right? It may be
Okay.
1 hour, 1 day, 3 minutes, 1 minute. Okay, that is
Okay.
the later part. We will discuss the time frame later. But on when you open the chart, any time frame, right? Just try to solve the reading, right? Suppose
Mhm.
you are seeing in this time frame, the price is coming the downside, right?
Okay.
Okay, this is your last GWS you are watching, swing basis, right?
Yeah.
Breach
Um,
happen,
yeah.
right? So where is the breach happen? First one. This is the actual. This is your sellers, right? Breach on the sell side. This is
Mhm.
your SNR, right? Seller SNR.
Okay.
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 So on this area, sellers, the buyers pullback came. Sellers try to sell, but they are
Great.
not unable. They are not able to make lower, right?
Yeah.
They attempt one time, fail. Again, the buyers going upside. Again, the sellers came, they failed. Again,
Mhm.
buyers going, again, sellers failed. It means there is something small range, right? So there is a small range. If you see,
Yeah.
there is a small range, right?
Okay.
And after that, buyers breached here from this area. So this will be your GWS from the buyer's side,
Okay.
right? Because
Yeah.
these sellers and these sellers, they failed and straight they're going up, right?
Okay. But
Okay, it's
it
when
still never take out the sellers GWS, right?
yes, it is not taking on the seller GWS.
But
That is
there is
actually
a
inside the
that,
seller's territory.
but we still consider that as a buy bridge down there.
Yes,
Okay, okay,
that is
okay.
the so that is the MPL level or must-win projections level, right?
Mhm.
What is actual expression is there? There is a two type of territory, right?
Mhm.
Not a two type of territory. There is a
Two players.
support and there is established support. Temporary temporal support, right?
Okay,
Temporal support and there is a established support.
okay, okay. And established support is become a territory.
Yeah, that
Okay,
is the
okay,
established EST, right?
okay.
Okay. So what does it mean? When this GW is taken out, you started sellers, right? So this is completely taken out all the sellers, the swing seller, right? So they
Mhm.
sell the seller started from here, right?
Mhm.
The first entry is here. Second, they added the positions,
Mhm.
right? And they are not able to make any lower. Again, the gone reverse. It means those sellers exited. Those sellers, exited. If anyone entered is here or added positions or entered here first fresh positions,
Mhm.
right? As soon as the price going downwards, they are making profit, right?
Yeah, yeah.
But here is a congestion, and after that, they're reversing above their entry price. It means they're in loss,
Mhm.
right? Technically.
Correct.
Okay, but here the sellers who first enter here, they are still profit, but their profit is reduced.
Yeah.
If they make profit is $100, right? Here,
Okay.
and those sellers who attend the first selling, their profit in $50 here, right?
Okay.
Okay, so here is the guy's $100 profit, and here is the guy's $50 profit. But here the
Okay.
reached out these guys minus $30, right?
Okay. Okay.
These guys enter here because the price came opposite side.
Mhm.
So they their profit reduces to zero, or lastly there
Break
actually is
even.
there minus
Loss.
$30, right?
Okay. Okay.
Loss. But these guy actually there is a $30 profit,
Okay. From
right?
100
Now
become
you
30.
see, yes, 100 become 30 and this
Okay.
plus 50 becomes minus 30,
Okay. Okay. Okay.
right?
Okay.
So it means if this guy they are seeing the profit $100 and this profit is reducing $30,
Mhm.
now you tell me, would would the sellers will be still there or they will be out?
They definitely try at least they will put break even lesser, or some of them will get scared and start to take their money out. At least $30 I want to take
Yes,
out.
yes, because the $30 they are actually getting $30 till
Mm.
now at this moment. They
Yeah,
don't know
and
from that time price will go this way or go this way or they will hold in
okay,
between,
okay,
right? So whatever the money they are getting, they will profit taking,
mm,
right?
okay,
They
okay,
they will be take out the profits because they don't
okay.
know, because we
Yeah,
don't know. Anyone know where the price will next steps will go, right?
yeah, yeah,
Okay, so so they feel panic and then they panically they take out all the profits, right?
yeah.
So before the attacking the GWS, before the attacking or closing above the GWS, they are removing they are actually exiting at that area.
Which area?
It means from the sellers area because they are taking the positions here, then profit because they are take out the all the profits the price when the price is here at this
Yeah,
moment.
correct.
Okay, so by seeing this, by seeing this price aggression, the buyers became very aggressive. So
Okay.
seeing this aggression or momentum, these sellers actually you know close out all the position whatever the profit is there, right?
When price come up
Okay,
here already.
no, actually, so that is the actually second time, already, they're pulling back and then price came and
Mm-hmm.
lastly they closing this GWs, right? Okay.
Mm.
So before that price came at this time when the price is here,
Okay,
okay,
okay, okay, okay.
80% or 90% sellers they are out,
Yeah, yeah, correct, correct, correct.
right? And
Okay.
when the list when the rest of the 20% the sellers there, when the price again they are resisting and again they are getting the momentum from the buy side, they are
Mm-hmm.
all are out.
100%. Okay, okay, understand, understand.
Understand?
Understand.
So that is the actual officially breached out. Then you can take as a trap or you
Yeah.
can trap this area,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
So is this first trap or is this the second trap? Which is the last trap?
This is the
Where is
last
the
attempt
last trap?
also. Last
Yes,
attempt by the sellers.
yes, yes. This is the last trap because on this area when the breach happened, we don't know this is a seller is not taken out officially,
Mm.
right? But here they again these sellers might be they attempting, but they failed. That's why the last sellers trap here.
Yeah, because this is a breach here, and then when price come to the psychological level, a lot of people enter for a sell here.
Yes,
Okay, and that's the last sellers.
yeah, yes. But here the must projection buyer and seller segment. So this is your initial stage. There is a GWS started already.
Okay,
There is second GWS. Yes, there is shifting. When the
yeah,
GWS is breaking out, then this is your GWS, but the buyer's territory is here
yeah.
because the buyer started from this area.
I already established the one.
Yes, so this is the actual when this taken out is buyers, then they are established officially.
Okay.
But before the taking out, they are all temporary.
Okay, understand.
Understand? So that is the difference between the buyer's support, temporal,
Mm-hmm.
and the
Established.
established support.
Okay.
Understand?
Yes,
So
yes.
this is a logic. So this is a logic.
Yeah,
So when the price in came very deeper, this is the trap area. This is the last sellers. They are actually approaching this trap area. Right? Price came very hard. Okay,
mm-hmm.
let's see how the buyers reacted. Right? When the
Mm-hmm.
buyers came, first buyer came this much, and second buyers came very deep. Again the buyers came. Right? Again the buyers came
Okay.
and sellers came 100%. Again, the buyers came, but not able to breach out. Again, sellers came. Again, buyers came, same height, but not able to a higher height,
Yeah,
right? And
yeah.
some range here. And this candle, when this
Oh,
breakout is happened at the real time, candle
mm-hmm.
body was there upside.
Yeah,
But the
yeah.
closing time,
Came back
but
down.
the closing time, they close inside the range. So it means all the traders they attempting here at
Yeah,
because they're chasing the money.
correct.
They're chasing the breakout.
So
So
they are
all
trapped
they are
there.
trapped. Yes.
Okay.
And the next candle you should enter here, your stop loss will be is there. Because
Okay.
because if you see this is your last trap area, sellers, right?
Yeah,
If
and the release is very weak.
because this is the good breach happened, right? First one, good breach happened,
Yeah.
right? But here is a no breach, good breach not happened. So this is support, but not so strong support, right? But this is a good support. Now
Okay.
this area you have to see already you're in profit because you enter from here, right?
Yeah. On
You
top.
enter from here. You are in profit.
Yeah.
Now you can see, let's see my 80% I exited, then let 20% are just giving the trade, right?
Okay.
Rest of the 20%. Now you see
Okay.
when the buyers came to the upside, right? And when the buyers actually making the higher low, right? See higher low how is happening,
Yeah.
right?
Mm-hmm. Very choppy. Not a good
Do you
high
see
low.
the higher low,
Yeah.
slowly buyers actually are making higher low,
Yeah.
right? If you
Yeah.
to trend line like this, so there is all the sellers stop loss.
Um,
Literally. So
okay.
that is the liquidity of the buyers.
And that's
They
why
will
the
grab.
sell move very fast after that.
Yeah, that's why these cells move came very fast.
Okay.
Okay. Now see
Okay.
when these buyers came, these buyers is not so strong, and these buyers strong, volume bit strong. After
Mm-hmm.
that, these buyers came strong, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
But
And
no
same
high.
equal sellers came very strong, right? It means there is no on the strong pullback. If you
Okay.
if you compare surrounding these buyers and those buyers,
Mm-hmm.
very less, right?
Yeah.
And
Yeah.
when this price came and at the bottom area, the volume is came very
Okay.
strong. Now
Okay.
you have to alert, right? You have to be alert why
Okay.
this volume came at the bottom.
Okay.
Now you
Okay.
see the
Okay.
chart the left hand side, slowly. Okay, now you see one thing, just hold on.
Okay.
Your volume is in this candle, right? Coming to
Yeah,
this area.
this candle and this candle.
This one, this red candle.
Okay.
Okay, it's a healthy candle and with the high volume. Also,
Yeah,
it belongs to the sellers.
okay,
Let's see in this area what you will react. Now you see
okay.
slowly see the chart left hand side. See from this area,
This
sellers
one.
they are respecting this level, also respecting this level. Understand?
Mhm.
Now see the shift the chart slowly left hand side. Okay, 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 okay. Price is coming. Just wait. Hold on. Okay. Holding. Okay. Slowly. Uh, Shift. Shift. Now breach happen. Okay. Last just shift.
Okay.
Finally breach happen in this area. High volume. Just wait. I think I think from this area we can see some buying, right? I think some to this area. Let's see. Let's shift the chart. Buyers came very choppy. Go. Different side. Against less came. Go. Well, buyers unable to go up. Okay, shift, go left side. Now after that, buyers came very choppy. Okay,
Yeah.
okay, go left side. Okay, the high volume is coming. Yes, okay. The rejection
Okay.
candle very good for the buyers.
Okay.
That is a sign buyers come. That is a sign of the buyers. This
Okay.
candle and
Okay.
the volume. Now
Okay.
shift the chart. Shift. Go. Go. Again, sellers came. Okay. If it is pull up, now it's breached happen sellers with the high volume. Now it is
Yeah.
sellers territory. Now you sell. So I was actually referring to this high because but at least in the same region its price game this area, right? Because
Okay.
I was counting this single candle, this single weeks, but if you see the whole range is here, right?
Yeah.
Respecting this area. Now is a
Okay.
breached happen. Okay. Now you
Yeah.
just uh, I will sell from here to the downside. Listen, look. Let's see. Go to left
Okay.
side. Go left side. Left. Slowly. Buyers come strong. Okay. Okay. Already recent low is came right at this
What's
area.
that?
This is this is the recent low price came at
Yeah.
this area.
Yeah. Isn't new, but
But
we
when it's confirmed when I see and this seasonal area, right? If you see this
mm-hmm.
seasonal area, the breach happened. We see this candle, the high volume is a seller's territory, right? When this
Mm-hmm.
breach happened, then price holding this area again, then breached out and price again come down. So that is your first candle is the confirmation, right?
Okay.
So if you enter here, stop loss will be there, then price will come to this area, in this recent area. Just shift the chart to left hand side. Now the coming, the high volume coming very high in the, at the
Yeah.
bottom here. Okay.
But we want to
Now you
see
now
whether the sellers can make a low or not.
yes. So
Mm.
yeah, price actually came to the actually this at the bottom area with the high volume. Now you stay away. You should stay
Okay.
away because
Okay.
you know if this area is breached out to the upside, then we buy will be here. It will go to this recent high. And if this going downwards, then we will sell from here. Okay, because a high volume in scheme. Okay, just see the chart. Left hand side. Go. Okay. Go. Now breached happened. Clearly breached happened. Okay. 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 This is a support area. We should look for this area. Go different side. Okay.
Price,
Okay.
price
This
holding.
area. Price holding. And if you TP, if you enter here and exited these prices, what is the time frame? I'm not looking for time frame. Just simple price action. Then you are getting the profit.
See how much, measure how many pips as well.
Okay, the pip doesn't matter because I'm not focused on the time frame. I'm just on the price action.
Oh, okay. Yeah.
If
Right.
this is a suppose this is a daily time frame, you are
Yeah,
entering
that's
here. Your
that's
stop loss
about.
will be is here. Then your
Mm-hmm.
profit will be 500 pips or 300
Okay.
pips, whatever.
When you enter here because this is wait
I entered here because actually, if you see, this is your sellers simple from this area. This is GWS area, right? Okay,
okay.
after that, this is a GWS area, but there is a probe. There is a probe, right? Okay,
Yeah,
so this is a seller's territory, if you see,
yeah.
right?
Okay.
So from this area, sellers they tried, and from here the breach happened clearly.
Okay.
So the last seller is trapped here
Where
from this area
the okay, okay.
because this is the last GWS here. Okay, price
Mhm.
attempting here,
Okay.
attempting, and then
Okay.
breach happen, then price releases from the trap area to the
Okay.
upside. And
Okay.
when the buyer is going upside, is there any volume associated?
No, but there is
Then
volume
it's a
behind the bias.
yeah,
There is a
already they released, na? They released these
mm-hmm.
these buyers released from this trap area. But how they release? They release no volume.
Okay. Release doesn't have volume. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
from this area to this area, there is no volume. If you see the relative volume is high
Yeah.
and there is a low volume.
Correct.
Now go left side, shift your chart, move your chart. Okay. Gracefully. Now see, if now you see there is no high volume, right? There is no such volume. But
Mhm.
when the price came, right, and here the sellers tried out, but this is not a sellers because there is actually pullbacks because
Yeah.
your buyer is still here 50% pullbacks come but not able to make any higher high. It
Mhm.
doesn't mean you have to sell here. The
Okay.
volume is not clear. You are not getting confidence. But when you see the volume came at the bottom area, at
Mhm.
this at this temporal is the trap. This is a temporal trap. This is your established trap because the GW is taken out.
Okay.
Let me clear. This is your GWS is here, right? This trap. No, this is a establishing trap, right?
Okay.
Because the GW is taken out. This is GW is started here from the buy side,
Mhm.
and there is a pullback coming lower, mini pullback, right?
Yeah.
So this is the last sellers, and the breach happened. So this is your temporal trap
Okay.
because this trap is made within the buyer's moment trend.
Okay. Okay.
Understand? Suppose suppose this
Mhm.
is your downtrend. Okay, in this time frame, right? Whatever time frame you are seeing this is your time frame. The sellers
Okay.
try it out, then breach happened. This is a
Yeah.
professional. This is your real buyer scam. The GWC, right? Okay. So when there's a pullbacks coming lower, high, okay, mini bridges, but this pullback is coming at the uptrend market, right? There is a clear downtrend market. Those are
Uh,
establishing, and that's breached out to the upside. It means those
okay.
downtrend is not no more is there,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
This is your trap area, right? So when the price is coming to this area, if you see there is a mini downtrend at the buyer's territory. Remember
Okay.
this word. There is a mini downtrend at the buyer's territory
Okay.
of the uptrend,
Okay.
right? There is a different word, right? if you see there is a downtrend in the there is a mini downtrend in the downtrending market, then it's valid. Those are the
Okay.
strong sellers, right? But
Okay.
if you see there is a pullbacks of the
Mm.
mini sellers pullback, but at the
Mm.
buyer's territory of the uptrend, right?
Mhm. Okay.
Understand
Okay.
the
Okay.
words.
Yes. 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 Yes.
Don't
One.
you don't have to remember the words, right? But you have to understand the
Yeah.
logic. What I'm saying,
Yeah. Because the sellers
because
are
you are
coming
actually
towards the buyer's area.
yes, the buyer's area.
Okay.
The buyer's area, but so that is the buyer's area, which is the seller's trap area, right?
Okay. So this is the last sellers 10, and you can say this
Yes,
is the trap area.
yes. This is the
Okay.
temporal. This is the temporal trap area, right?
Okay.
Temporal
Okay.
trap area.
Okay.
The priest
Okay.
happened.
Okay.
Price pulling back again. Price pulling in this area. So then you are again entering this here. Your first entry is here, the buy side. Second, you're entering here.
Okay. Okay. Understand.
Are you confusing?
No,
Are
no,
you
no, no,
confused
no.
or
No, no, no. I understand, sir. I understand. Because
understand? It will
you
take time
already
because
tell me
yeah.
this is not a 3 minutes, it's a daily time frame.
What are the time frame? What are the time
Yeah,
frame?
so if this is
Price.
a daily time frame, then I can understand this is a mini downtrend came, and then the downtrend became an uptrend, and then the choppy sellers coming in, and then here the last sellers are trapped, and then here we enter for the ladies area. Yeah.
Yes.
Mm. Yeah.
So this is the actually the crux of the price action, right? Okay.
Okay.
So you have to understand those things, right? The slowly. Okay.
Mhm.
Understanding the price action. Okay. This is the thing, when this, after that the breach happened. Okay. Then breach happened, then shift to chart. Then we will see how is the buyers performing. This is your trap area, right? It is your trap area. You can see. Now shift your chart. Shift your chart. Okay. 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 Uh, then it is not a seller's, right? Seller's area. This is a counter selling, but this is not a downtrend because your buyer's territory is here.
Okay.
If the
Okay.
price will come in this area, sellers will be enticed to sell because they are thinking this is just downtrend, but it's not. When the price will come,
Mm.
then you have to buy here. Price will go upside like this.
Okay. 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 Okay.
Now you see the shift chart. Now you see here. This is your trap area, right? Okay. This
Yeah.
whole was the trap.
Yeah.
See, when the price came at this area, see the volume. Volume
Uh,
came coming at the
uh,
bottom at the trap area.
so we can
Now this
enter
is your
for buy.
opportunity to buy here. Yes.
Okay.
Now you
Okay.
shift the chart. Shift your chart.
Oh.
Understand? So you
Yeah.
will enter here. You will enter here.
Mm.
You exited the profit here. Okay. It depends on you. Okay. But
Mhm.
this is actually uptrend shifting, right? Okay.
Mhm.
Robbery to the uptrend and
Mhm.
price came to like pullbacks. And when you see the high volume and price is coming, which time it's coming? Is the New York session or London session?
This one is pre-Frankfurt. No,
Pre-Frankfurt. So,
Asia session. This one, pre-Asia session.
oh, so that's why the volume came very strong,
Mhm. Yeah.
right? Now, from here, there'll be a lot of buy. Your buy it has to be, it will go up and up, up and up.
Where from here?
Yes, because this is your area of the SNR area,
Mhm.
right? Because in this area, sellers came very strong, okay, and after that small, and last one very big. So this is the parabolic move.
Oh,
V
okay,
reversal, then you
okay.
entered here. You enter here at least to this. Now you move your chart. and you will see. You will shut, okay. You enter here, okay. The taste came very aggressive. Go. It will go upside. Oh, okay. It's not because actually this test was very strong, but the after that parts is very choppy. Now it's going downward side. So again, you have opportunity to buy here, but because the volume is very less. But not right now because the seller is very strong. You have to digest the sellers. Then after that, you will buy.
Yeah, which one is consider sellers digested
Move.
50%, 40% value.
Yes. Move your chart. Move your chart. Okay. Move your
100%
chart.
digested.
Go. Yes. From here, in this area, there will be buy, and in this the rejection is going to happening. You will be buy here. The stop loss will be right here or right here. Now you go. Move your chart. Move your chart. Okay. No problem. Your stop loss will be below the V. Okay, no problem. Go. Okay. So there's a fighting because the London opening now, like Frankfurt opening. That's
This
why
one is
big players.
Frankfurt
Yes,
opened
that's
already. Yeah.
so that's why they are fighting,
Okay.
right?
Okay.
Market is opening because they will manipulate, right? But the view is the upside.
Okay.
Okay, now let's go. The volume it's not so strong. It is the buying volume. It will go up. It will go up. Let's see the line. But where we will see buying, if you know the Frankfurt is opening, right? When the London is opening is here, all the buyers, all the sellers, they are trapped here. We know the buyers uptrend is there. Then we will, if we get the stop losses, no problem. Then we will wait for the second trade. When this breach happen again, this closing is upside, right? Then you enter here, stop loss will be here. Then it will go strong upside. Now you fast forward, move your chart. Go. But the yes, sellers came very strong. It means we are not ever we are actually see on the higher time frame the downtrend is flow. Right, the flow is downside. Okay, now you see but move your chart, but it's not confirmed yet the downtrend. Confirm yet, okay? Go. Okay. Now it's a breakout happened in this area. Right. Okay. The pop happened. Okay. The volume is still so strong. Okay. Now we'll go. Okay. Prices came. Now it means those are the buyers. They are trapped on the higher time frame because on the higher time frame, 15 minutes, those are the refresh. All the buyers that trapped here because the way sellers came. This is your primary. Right, sorry, this is a primary and secondary is here, right? Okay. Okay.
So where
Because
so the trap area is I would say here this area, right?
Yes, the trap area will be here.
Okay.
Fast forward to the left hand side.